Hello, my dear student. So, in this lecture, I will discuss how to find a regression line of y on x and x on y from the given data. Now, I am taking one example. It's a very important topic. Okay. Now, try to understand the question. Find the regression lines of y on x and x on y using the following data. Okay, so now try to understand there are already there are two types of regression line you are having. One is y on x, another one is x on y. Okay, here you will learn in this video, you will learn how to find two regression lines. One is y on x, another one is x on y from the following data. Clear? Now, so first you write down the equation of regression line of y on x is y minus y bar is equals to b yx x minus x bar. Clear? Okay, so and regression line of x on y is x minus x bar is equals to b xy y minus y bar. Clear? There are two regression line you have. One is y on x, another one is x on y. Okay, so here you have some unknown, that is x bar, y bar, byx and bxy. Clear? So here you may write where what is x bar? X bar is equals to mean of x. What is y bar? Is equals to mean of y. Clear? Now what is byx? Is it clear? Up to this clear? Next line you write, please write down. So there are two regression line you are having. One is y on x, another one is x on y. Another interesting part you can remember, if I have y on x, then y part should be on the left and here it is on the right side x. If it is x on y, then x part should be on the left and y part should be on the right. Another interesting part you can see byx, and here it is bxy. This is called a regression coefficient of y on x, and this one is called regression coefficient of x on y. Now here interestingly you can see that yx, that is on the left side you have y, so yx. Here you can see xy and you should write in suffix. Please don't write bxy or byx. It is wrong. It should be in suffix. Please check. I have mentioned here in suffix. Okay. So please check the orientation. Yx, that is on the left side you should have y and on the right side you should have x. And here also same. Xy, on the left side you have x and on the right side you should have y. I think it is clear. Okay, next line you write down, and byx, that is regression coefficient of y on x as per orientation. Okay, and b xy is equals to same regression coefficient of x on y. Is it clear to all of you? Okay, very good. Now you can see, so if I can identify these four things, that is x bar, y bar, byx and bxy, and we can find regression line of y on x and x on y. Clear? Now, so how to calculate x bar? Already you know, summation x by n. What is n? N is the number of information or number of data. What is y bar? Y bar is equals to summation y by n. Same way, whatever the number of y data you have, substitute here by addition and then divide the number of y term you have, then you will get y bar. So by using this formula, we can identify x bar and we can identify y bar. Is it clear? There are four unknown you have. One is x bar, another one is y bar, another byx and bxy. If I have all these four, then we can substitute in equation number. It will be better if you can write equation number 1 and equation number 2. If I substitute the value of x bar, byx and bxy, then from in equation number 1 and 2 respectively, we will get our required regression. Two regression line, one is y on x, another one is x on y. Clear? So there are four unknowns. One is y bar, x bar, byx and bxy. Okay, so now we want to find the value of byx. So that is a formula by which you can calculate. Please, you need to remember this formula, that is n summation xy minus summation x summation y. Okay, and here you write summation x square minus summation x whole square. Is it clear? Another one you have bxy is equals to, you may write n summation y square minus summation y whole square in summation xy minus summation x summation y. Is it clear? Okay, now interestingly you can see in denominator part is different but numerator part are same. You can see there is no confusion. Just you can check which variable is coming next, that is x. So in case of byx, all should be in x term, and in case of bxy, y is coming in at last. So please check all are coming. So from here it is clear. Is it clear to all of you? So there are two formula, another formula you have in front of you. One is this, another one is that. Now anyone can tell me, now try to understand what are the informations are required to find this byx, bxy, x bar and y bar. So from here it is clear we need to calculate one thing, that is your summation x, then summation y from here, then summation xy, this and that, and last summation x square and summation y square. If I can identify from the given data summation x, summation y, summation xy, summation x square and summation y square, then we can find the value. Is it clear? So from the table we need to calculate summation x, summation y, summation xy, summation x square, summation y square. I think it is clear to all of you. Okay, very good. I think up to this portion is clear. Okay, now what is given? This table is given. Okay, so already I have prepared the table. Now please write down by yourself also, that is 7 square means what? 49, 81, 16, 49, 64. Is it clear? Square it. 4, 16, 4, 9, 16. Now multiply xy. X into y. 14, 4 into 9. 36, 4 into 2, 8, 7 into 3, 21, 8 into 4, 32. Okay, is it clear to all of you? Why you are calculating only these three things based on the previous part? So x part, y part already you have. Now you need to calculate x square, y square and xy. Clear? So now our objective to add all these things. You add all. Okay, summation x. If I add all together, I'm using calculator, it is coming 35. All y summation, I'm using calculator, it is coming 15. Okay, and summation x square is coming 259. Summation y square is coming 49, and summation xy is coming 111. Everyone please check carefully. Okay, and what is n here? What is n? N means how many number of data you have. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. That is n is equals to 5. Now you calculate one by one. What is x bar? X bar is equals to summation x by n. What is summation x? That is your 35 by 5. That is 7 is coming. Is it clear? Summation x equals to this. Now, so what is your y bar? Y bar is equals to summation y by n. What is summation y bar? Y by summation y. Summation y is equals to 15 by 5. It is coming 3. Okay, and what is your byx? B or yx already you know. N x square minus summation x whole square in summation xy minus summation x summation y. Now you know everything, just you put it down one by one. Is it clear? So here you may write n means 5. 5 into 5 into summation xy, that is 111, minus what is summation x? 35 into 15 summation x summation y, and n 5 into summation x square. Summation x square is 259. Clear? Minus summation x whole square. Summation x whole square means 35 whole square. Is it clear to all of you? Is it clear? Now I am using calculator. If I simplify, it is coming 0.4. You can check it. You can check it. Just to multiply 5 into 111 and 35 into 15 and 5 into 259 minus 35 whole square. I am using calculator. It is coming 0.4. Is it clear? So now you know x bar, you know y bar, you know byx, you know, and one is left. Okay, please write down carefully. It's very simple, very simple, very simple. And during exam time you can add one line extra, just you can multiply. If you have a, if calculator is allowed during exam time, you can use it. Within a few seconds you can identify the value. Otherwise you can multiply part by part, you can simplify it. Okay, now come to the second part of it. So another part is left, that is your bxy, isn't it? So here you may write n summation xy minus summation x summation y n summation y square minus summation y summation y whole square. Now already you know what is your n? N is equals to 5. What is your xy? Xy 111 minus What is summation x? Summation x equals to 35. What is your summation y? Summation y is equals to 15. Okay, now you simplify, and n is equals to 5 itself. Summation y square is equals to how much? 49 minus summation y how much? 15 whole square. Now if you simplify, it will be 1.5. Please check carefully. It is coming 1.5. I'm using calculator. Okay, so please write down. So please write down the required. Now we have all unknowns, correct? X bar, y bar, byx, bxy, all are known to you. Now you substitute one by one in equation number 1 and equation number 2. So you may write from 1. So what you have, y minus y bar is equals to byx x minus x bar. Clear? So from here you may write down y minus y bar. What is your y bar value? What is your y bar value? Is equals to 3. So you may write 3. What is your byx value? Byx value is equals to 0.4. 0.4 x minus x bar. What is x bar? X bar is equals to 7 we have. Correct? Clear? So from 2, what you have? X minus x bar is equals to bxy y minus y bar. So from here you may write x minus x bar. X bar is equals to 7. What is your bxy? Bxy is equals to 1.5. And it is coming y minus y bar. Y bar is equals to how much? 3. Clear? So basically this one is regression line of y on x, and this one regression line of x on y. So this is the process. I think it is clear. It's a very simple process you have. Very simple. First, you write down regression, both the regression lines, y on x and x on y. But here I can add one thing. Be careful about the notation. Be careful about the notation. I'm talking about this notation. One is byx, another one is bxy. Please be careful. Please don't write byx, it's wrong, and please don't write bxy, it's also wrong. Please don't write. You should write correct notation. B suffix yx, b suffix xy. Okay, thank you everyone for watching this video. And everyone, this is my request to all of you. It will help me a lot for encouragement point of view. Please do subscribe my channel. If you can see something is getting from here, share this information to your friends also, so that they can get some benefit from this video. Okay, thank you everyone. Goodbye.